Today we unbox and assemble a 1/12 scale rock climbing remote control off-road car model. It has a beautiful appearance and is a lot of fun. Actually, there are 3 styles to choose from: orange, black, and silver, and the one I have is orange. But note that it's not suitable for children under 14 years old. First, let's take a look at all the accessories and holding the remote control, which is fully functional and easy to use. Now just briefly introduce the remote control. It's a single remote control. You can manage the throttle, brackets, wheel control, light control, steering tree, and speed adjustment. Next, we have some electronic components, screws, nuts, and small accessories. Everything you need is included, so there's no need to worry about the missing parts. There is a product manual, but honestly I don't think we will use this much. Its shock absorption effect is very good, and the overall details are very well done. The doors and internal structure details make it look like a real mini off-road car. Now let's install the battery. First, remove the pin under the car. Then, open the battery compartment. Pull the battery compartment towards the rear of the car. Place the battery into the compartment. Connect the battery to the car. And finally, put the plug into the battery compartment. It uses a high capacity battery, which is very durable and fun to play with. Now we will install the remaining car parts. You can also apply the stickers provided with the products, instantly adding a stylish and cool look to the car. With an 8mm high chassis, this vehicle handles angles up to 25 degrees, climbs slopes up to 35 degrees. Fixed for rough terrains, it reaches speeds up to 80 km per hour. Now let's try playing with it. Press the throttle button and the button to move the car forward, and in the opposite direction to reverse. The wheel light button on the side can adjust the car's wheel direction. Now let's give it a try. When you control the car, no matter which direction you drive, it can recognize the true signal in that direction, which is very responsive. So if you like the remote control toy, please subscribe to us. We will recommend more fun and interesting toys for you. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.